Have you ever heard of the search engine Google? Yes, because Google is one of the world's largest companies, with millions of people using it every day to search for information, read, watch videos, or visit a website. But did you know there's a stupidly simple way to make a lot of money? Google has identified a small group of people who are secretly depositing $1,000 or $5,000 using a secret method. Prior to now, the general public has never been made aware of this information. You can use the little-known Google technique for free because I'll reveal and expose everything to you in this video. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn up to $800 by spinning the Google bot. This method is completely free and works globally if you have a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection. If you stick with me until the end, I'll even give you a totally free tool that will help you significantly increase your earnings. The first step is to go to Google and search for the term Google News. Alternatively, you can click on this button and scroll down. To use this logo, as you can see, News is available here. And by clicking on it, you'll be directed to this Google News page. Continue to observe and follow what I show you to get paid from Google, and you'll notice that there is a lot of different news on Google. You'll notice that Google will attempt to categorize all the news into one of the most popular categories, such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Assume I click on the health section and I'm directed to this website, where I can find additional health-related information. Next, because they're all extremely professional, I'd like to choose one of these articles. Next, because they're all extremely professional, I'd like to choose one of these articles. You can actually make money by using Google News and other people's highly professional articles. Before moving on to step 2, simply copy a sentence or paragraph from the article. Spinbot.com is essentially a free tool and free software for spinning articles. The idea is straightforward. They have 2 boxes right here, one of which you can add text to recreate the article. Simply copy and paste the paragraph from the article into this box, and as you can see when I scroll down below, this software will assist me in rewriting this entire paragraph from the article into completely new content. As you can see, it's literally only one click away from assisting you in rewriting the entire text into a completely new article. You can literally use Google's power, especially Google News, and I can find a variety of current topics and popular articles produced by others that are quite professional. Moving on, we could use AI technology, specifically Spinbot. Some of you may already be aware of the effectiveness of this method. I completely rewrite the articles and use the new content to make a lot of money, especially through PayPal bank transfers and other shifting payment methods. Step 3 follows. Once you've successfully written a few articles, you can simply go to different websites and get paid. In this video, I'll show you 3 different websites. Make sure you watch all the way to the end and learn about them all, because the more websites you sign up for, the more money you'll make. Before we continue, only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. I naturally earn the most money as a result. Let's return to the video now. It's now time to return to work and make some money. You can go to textbroker.com for website number 1 and click on the I Write Content button on the homepage to see your potential earnings and the amount of money you can expect to be paid. You will then be rated from 2 to 5 stars based on the caliber of your articles, and different ratings will pay you different amounts for each written word. It's not necessary to have prior experience, write articles, have writing skills, use technology, or have any other type of technology. Simply go to Google News, find a simple professional article that has already been published, and then use Spinbot to completely rewrite the article. Everyone can do this, and it's how Google compensates us. 4 to 5 star ratings should be possible, especially if you use high quality Google articles. We should be paid between 1.4 and 5 cents per word, assuming you get a 5-star rating for quality, which you should be able to get if you start with the Google article. You can expect to earn around $105 for a 2,100 word article. This is one of the simplest ways for brand new beginners to make some quick money online that I've seen in a long time. And guess what? If you can find a 5,000 word essay, you could earn up to $255 for a single piece. As you can see, Google has a ton of articles on related subjects that you may search for and merge into one. From there, you can easily change the word count to increase your revenue from this service. TextBroker membership has several benefits, including free sign-up, the ability to work at your own pace, the freedom to publish as many articles as you want, and weekly payment. You can cash out after earning $10 in your account on the second website, iWriter, where you can only get paid for submitting articles. You'll be paid once a week. You can get paid in 5 simple steps by visiting iWriter.com. The first step is to register for a free account. The second is to decide on the categories and article types you want to write for. The third is to submit your articles. The fourth is to review them after they have been accepted. And the fifth is for them to pay you. The good news is that if you provide high-quality items, such as those from Google News, you can advance to the Elite Plus level. Assume you write a 150-word article for $4.77 and a 3,000-word post for $6 in the most popular bundle. You can earn a different amount of money depending on the packages purchased by the customer. As you can see, writing an article of up to 3,000 words can net you up to $217.50, which is a reasonable wage. You are free to repurpose the article and submit it to textbroker.com again. Once you've signed up for several websites, you can earn money from a single article through multiple income streams. Registration is completely free and open to anyone in the world. We'll now visit website number 3, Scripted.com. In essence, they will pay you for any articles you write. To apply to become an unscripted freelancer, simply click the Become a Writer button at the top of the page. Again, you could work in any industry or category, which is why Google and Google News are so successful. They truly cover the most popular and trending topics that people want to hear about. Technology, entertainment, science, and even health are all covered, along with a wealth of constantly updated resources, news, and articles. You can rewrite the articles into entirely new content using an AI technology known as Spinbot, which is both incredible and extremely user-friendly for anyone who wants to get started. PayPal is guaranteed once more, and you can be paid automatically 15 days after your job is accepted. And you can charge significantly more money on this website than on the previous 2. At this point, you can make about $160 for a 3,000-word piece on the first website, TextBroker, up to $217 for a 3,000-word essay on the second website, and literally quadruple your money on this website, Scripted, where you can make up to $300 for a single article. They'll pay you well, and you'll be able to work from wherever you want right now. All you have to do is click the Apply Now button, which will take you to a page where you can finish the registration by entering your email, first and last name, password, and creating a free account. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.